Please follow along with your safety information card. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tab into the buckle. To tighten, pull the loose end of the strap and to release it upon the flat portion of the buckle. Your seatbelt should be secured low and tight about your hips and worn anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead on all path lighting means to exit. All exits are equipped with evacuation slides, and your nearest exit may be located behind you. If needed, the oxygen mask will drop from the compartment above your seat. Hold on the mask and place it over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not fully inflate. A crew member will inform you when it is safe to remove your mask, and be sure to secure your own mask before assisting others. Life vest used for adults or children is located under each passenger seat. To use it, tear open the plastic pouch and remove the vest, slip it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, fasten the buckle, pull the tab on the loose end of the strap to tighten. Upon exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red tabs to inflate the vest. It is important that you do not inflate the vest while you're inside the aircraft. To manually inflate, blow into tube at shoulder level. A water-activated rescue light is attached to each vest. Pull the top to activate. And there are 2 life rafts at the forward doors and 2 at the rear doors at either side of the airplane. Your safety information card shows off locations and proper use of all water equipment. Federal law requires passengers compliance with loud passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. Spirit Airlines does not allow smoking on board, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any lavatory smoke detector. In preparation for takeoff, please check to see that your seatbelts are securely fastened.